Does the pursuit of truth come at the cost of freedom? This is the question that underpins the saga of Julian Assange, the founder of WikiLeaks, who has been embroiled in a decade-long legal battle over the release of classified US documents. Let's unravel the complex timeline of this case. It all began almost 15 years ago when WikiLeaks, under Assange's direction, published a trove of classified US documents. The American prosecutors allege that Assange encouraged and aided US Army intelligence analyst Chelsea Manning in this endeavor, which they claim put lives at risk. Fast forward to January 2021, when a UK judge ruled against extraditing Assange to the US to face espionage charges, citing the risk of suicide due to oppressive conditions in US prisons. However, this victory was short-lived, as in December of the same year, the British High Court overturned this decision, opening the door for Assange's extradition to the US. Today, 2 High Court judges are considering their verdict after a 2-day hearing in which Assange's lawyers argued that sending him to the US would risk a flagrant denial of justice. A ruling on Assange's future is not expected until March at the earliest. The key points of this case revolve around the question of Assange's role. Was he a journalist acting in the public interest, or did he go beyond journalism in his bid to solicit, steal, and indiscriminately publish classified US government documents? Another major point of contention is Assange's mental and physical health. His supporters argue that his well-being has suffered severely over the years, especially during his 7 years in self-exile in the Ecuadorian embassy in London. Assange's legal saga is far from over. If the High Court judges rule against him, he can appeal to the European Court of Human Rights. However, supporters worry that he might be extradited to the US before he gets a chance to make this appeal, since the British government has already signed an extradition order. To conclude, the Julian Assange case raises critical questions about freedom, justice, and the role of journalism in society. As we look to the future, it's clear that the final chapter of this saga is yet to be written. Only time will tell whether Assange will face a US courtroom or win his fight against extradition.